Mastering time expressions with present continuous tense. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson where we will discuss an important aspect of English grammar. Today, we are going to talk about using time expressions such as this week, this month, and this year, with the present continuous tense. This lesson will help you to use English more naturally and accurately. So, let's dive in. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening now, or around now. It is formed using the subject, the verb, to be, in the correct form, and the present participle of the main verb. Here is an example. I am studying English grammar now. The action, studying, is happening right now. Now that we have refreshed our memory on the present continuous tense, let's introduce our time expressions. This week, this month, and this year. When we use these time expressions with the present continuous tense, we are talking about ongoing actions that are happening during the current week, month, or year. For example, I am attending a workshop this week. We are traveling to Spain this month. They are working on a new project this year. In each of these sentences, the action is ongoing and happening during the mentioned time period. The best way to learn is by practicing. Here are a few more sentences to illustrate how this week, this month, and this year are used with the present continuous tense. She is taking dance lessons this week. I am reading War and Peace this month. We are focusing on improving our productivity this year. Remember, these expressions help to give the context of when the action is happening. Practice using them in your daily conversations to enhance your fluency and accuracy. That wraps up our lesson on using this week, this month, and this year with the present continuous tense. We hope this video has been useful and will help you in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, fluency comes with time and practice. See you in the next lesson.